My name's Nathan and I'm from the Tent World Ferntree Gully store. Today I'll be talking to you about the Compaclite Discovery Chair and the other Compaclite chairs in the OZtrail range. So let's start off by setting it up. So there you have it, there's the OZtrail Compaclite Discovery Chair. This chair is a very lightweight chair, so it fits in most day packs. It weighs just 2.4 kilos, which is pretty good for a full-size chair, and it has a weight rating of 110 kilos. The frame itself is constructed of a high tensile steel, so it's very tough and durable. The polyester itself is a 600 denier polyester, so it's quite tough. So this chair has the storage pocket on the front here, but the newer model that's just come out now has a side storage pocket, which makes it just a little bit more convenient. There's a few different models that OZtrail do of these Compaclite chairs. This one here is a Compaclite Trekker, so this one's got a lightweight aluminium frame, so it's a lot lighter. It's good if you wanted to take it hiking or for longer walks, or if you're after a little bit more comfort. The Compaclite Navigator is a higher back and an inbuilt pillow. It also has a swivel action on the frame. This chair comes with a 1-year warranty, so it's a really good buy.